Currently a speed restriction on the line, area wash down line. This is service from Washford Heath. Scunthorpe Trent to Eastleigh East Yard. On the up area wash main. (66,787). Doncaster up decoy to Towton North Yard, just passing the 60-mile-an-hour crossover at Claycross North Junction. It's on the up area wash. 66,507. The up area wash is a max speed of 90 miles per hour. Chesterfield down sidings to Bedford Engineers sidings. This will take the area wash through Alfred, Towton Centre down to Syston North Junction. It'll go through Melton Mowbray, Oakham, Manton, Corby and join the middle and main line again at Kettering. Tinsley Bardon Hill, that according to real-time trains is cancelled, and a meridian going past north to Sheffield. This led down the area wash through Towton Centre to Leicestershire. Doncaster Belmont to Towton TMD. (66,074), 66,150. Southampton to Masbury intermodal. Currently under speed restriction of about 30 miles per hour, maybe 40. This is on the down area wash, which at this position has a max speed of 90 miles per hour. The two lines to the right are the middle and main line stroke cross country route. Southampton to Doncaster Airport. Currently slowing for 30 mile an hour speed restriction north.